Right, okay. This is the second video for the pressure washer sandblaster. The first one I did wasn't very good because I did the water feed through a barrel. So this time I'm running it through the hose pipe and hopefully it'll be better. So I'll just do one with it as a normal pressure washer first. Then I've had a go on it already with this door lock. Just using normal recycled crushed glass. Then I'll try it on a powder coated bit of steel, some wood, that's from previous testing from soda blasters that is, and a bit of a rusty thing, and some white lines on the road as well. Okay, so to fire it up, good things with these, key start. Too much choke. Use it as a pressure washer first, once you turn the water on. Sandblaster. Put a lift on the end. Open that valve and then slide it to the ground. Right.